Hi everyone, I want to talk about this Roman candle rack build. I took one by and stacked it in between pieces of plywood. The one by is the same thickness as a Roman candle. And then I took and drilled a series of holes 1 inch apart and laced tie wire back and forth. I repeated this on the bottom end. This will give you multiple angle positions, and when this is full, it'll hold 100 Roman candles. I also put some legs on it and a little bit of fencing underneath just to keep them from falling through. It was a pretty easy build. Didn't take too long. Just clamped all these plywood together and drilled all the holes at the same time, and took some 1/4 inch rod and went through all the way through and bolted it together. And you could actually stack as many of these cells as you want. These are 20 wide, and it's really light, easy to manage, and pretty versatile. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it racked up. I've got about 80 Roman candles left from the show, so I'm going to go ahead and get them wicked up and loaded up, and we'll have a little demonstration. If you didn't watch the last video, I'll put a little clip in there of what the effect it had at the show. I put 55 in it for the show, and equals 550 shots. This would be actually a little larger rack with the 80 Roman candles. So let's get to the fun part. Hey everyone, I'm back, and got this all loaded up and wicked up. If you look here, I like to use the tie wrap method. Some people don't like that so much, but that's what seems to work for me. And use a quick fuse with the little tail of something a little slower, get a chance to get back. But here it is, all racked and wicked and ready to go. Just gotta wait for it to get dark. We'll light her up. All right, here we go. 8 10-shot candles. Here's Eric. He's gonna do the lighting. Nice. 800 shots.
Leave a like and subscribe.